Hey, in today's video we will see 7 pita bread pizzas for you to choose from to indulge as a healthy cheat meal. Each pizza has a different base sauce and counts to less than 300 calories. Starting with a simple pesto pizza, prep a handful of fresh basil leaves. Cut a medium-sized tomato into thick slices. For the sauce, I'm using store-bought basil pesto. You can find the recipe for a homemade pesto in the description box below. Spread a tablespoon of pesto sauce on the bread and top it with a handful of pizza cheese, that is mozzarella cheese, cheddar and parmesan cheese, tomatoes and freshly chopped basil leaves. Bake this in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Next, start by boiling 2 medium-sized potatoes for the potato and cream cheese pita bread pizza. This pizza is one of my new addictions. Cut the peeled potatoes in 1 cm thick. For additional toppings, I'm using this plant-based Italian sausage. I have cut them into 1 cm in thickness. Although this topping is optional, it adds more flavor to the pizza. For the sauce, start with 2 tablespoons of low-calorie cream cheese, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and juice of half a lemon. Mix this well till you get a consistency like this. Spread a tablespoon of the sauce on the pita bread and top it with pizza cheese, potatoes and the sausages. Drizzle with some olive oil and bake it for 15 minutes. I forgot to top it with some fresh rosemary. You could also choose to use dried rosemary leaves. I added the leaves and cooked it for a couple more minutes. Believe me, this combination of ingredients is delicious. For the pumpkin and feta cheese pizza, boil 1 cup of square cut pumpkin and sweet potatoes, which is optional. After it's cooked, blend them into a smooth paste like this. We'll use this as a sauce. Pumpkin and feta cheese together are an amazing combination. Cut around half a cup of feta cheese or as desired. Using fresh basil leaves as a topping is preferred. You could use dried basil leaves too. For the sauce, you could also use a store-bought pumpkin soup, but make sure it's not too runny. Spread the sauce on the bread and top it with pizza cheese, feta cheese and basil leaves. Sprinkle some chili flakes if you desire. Do not season it with salt as the feta cheese is already salty. Bake this in the oven for 15 minutes. Next is a simple classic margherita pizza. For the sauce, I'm using the store-bought pasta sauce. Check the description for the homemade sauce recipe. Top the bread with cheese and fresh basil. Cook it for 15 minutes. This simple garlic pizza is super easy and delicious. Spread 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. Use fresh minced garlic if you want. Mix the minced garlic with some olive oil to use as a base sauce. Top it with pizza cheese, basil leaves, chili flakes and drizzle some olive oil on top. Bake this for 15 minutes. The 6th pizza is a hummus pizza. For the toppings, I'm prepping some green peppers. Spread a tablespoon of hummus on the pita bread. Top it with pizza cheese, peppers, gherkins, jalapenos and baby spinach leaves. You could top it with whatever toppings you like. Sprinkle on top some mixed Italian herbs or oregano and bake it for 15 minutes. The last healthy pita bread pizza does not need to be baked. Cut some fresh fruits of your choice. Berries goes well with peanut butter or any other nut butter. Spread a tablespoon of peanut butter on the pita bread and top it with fresh fruits or berries. It is low in calories, filling and highly nutritious and healthy. I'm topping with some garlic sauce on top of the potato pizza. This is completely optional. Depending on the toppings, the calorie count for these pizzas should be less than 300 calories each. Let me know in the comment section below which pizza you tried and enjoyed the most. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay safe.